Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel, Joe Knows Adventure. And as you can tell, I'm back from my cruise. So this video is going to be the first day embarkation. So it's not a very long video, so enjoy and I'll see you at the end. Hey gang, guess what? It's boarding day. Sunday, January the 12th, and I'm getting ready to hop on an Uber. My daughter was going to take me, but she's got busy. So I'm going to do Uber to the New Orleans port, which it'll be a little spendy just for me because I don't live that far, but it's okay. I'll get going, but this is what I had to wear today. It is only 48 degrees out right now, and it's 12 noon. So I'm going to be leaving here. My boarding time is between 1 and 1:30. So all sorts of excited. Got my bags packed, released my pack with me video. So now I'm working on my boarding day, day 1 of my cruise. So it's all sorts of excited. So here I have a sweatshirt. I have a t-shirt underneath it, and I have my black jeans. And I decided on these Skechers. They're comfortable and they're good for walking if I need to do some walking, so without having to pack too many shoes. So anyway, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with the whole boarding process. Should be simple. It's very busy downtown right now in the port area. The convention center has a it's called Fan Expo, Comic-Con. And I guess Michael J. Fox is going to be there, so it's a big deal for us downtown. So traffic will be a little thick, plus 2 cruise ships in, Norwegian and Carnival. And of course, I'm going on the Norwegian Getaway, my favorite ship. All right, guys, I'll keep you posted for it all. So now I'm going to get in the line. I just dropped off my luggage. Here we go. Quiet, I'm going to do the lounge. The lounge is for the studio cabins, and on the Getaway and the Breakaway, the studio lounge has a bar, and they have treats. And this goes up to the next level in the back. So this is kind of nice. You can get some treats, which I'm thirsty. So I'm on deck 11. This is deck 10, and I can go up the stairs, and my room is right up there, the first room on the left. Very convenient. Like I said, the bartender is here from 5 to 7 every night, which is really nice. You don't have to go and have drinks, especially tonight. I had a little banana bread, which is really good. game is going on. I'm going to be sure to go up to the observation lounge before we sail away. I'd like to take a picture of the bridge. And I already met a really cute couple, Teresa and Doug, and I met them in line waiting to get on the ship and kind of walked around with them. I gave them my room number and they just gave me theirs. I lost them and then they found me wandering around because I was hungry and thirsty. So our rooms are finally open, so we can get in, but my luggage isn't here yet, obviously, but that's okay. I don't need anything. I am sitting on deck 8. I'm cold. I'm waiting for the cruise ship to leave. I just heard a horn, so I don't know if they're getting ready to depart. But oh boy, it is raining out and cold. Let me show you. Gonna make a turn and turn around, and then it'll go out down the Mississippi out to the Gulf. It takes about six hours for the ship to go out to the Gulf, so that's the bulk of the cruise. I think that's the ferry. It's making that. There's a ferry out there too. Very busy river. A lot of ships going by. It's a little foggy out too. You see the fog on top of the bridge. What I mean by very busy port. We've got ships going back and forth. This is a big one. Looks to be empty. They just turned on the lights. You know, they spent a lot of money putting lights on the Mississippi River Bridge, getting ready for the Super Bowl. And on a clear night, it reflects onto the water. It really looks nice, but maybe I'll catch a little bit of it when we come into port next Sunday. Right now, it's just too wet. Right, we're just starting to move. It's a slow turn. We turn around like that's the front up there. So we turn around like I said and head out. All right, we just made the turn. We're docked right there. Turn around, looking out. That's Algiers right there. You don't realize how deep and how wide the Mississippi River is here, but this is a great way to show you. We have a shipping container coming in as we go out. All right, so I told you that it was a short video. Day one of my embarkation. Because I didn't travel by plane, I just drove to the cruise port. It didn't have a very long travel day and all that, staying overnight in a hotel. So a little bit of different for embarkation day, but it started out kind of rainy and ugly looking, but boy, the further south we got, the nicer weather it became. So I want to thank everybody for watching and staying all the way through. Please comment if you have any questions. I answer everybody, and give that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for next week's video, which will be day 2, which is a sea day on the Norwegian getaway, leaving New Orleans January the 12th and returning on the 19th, which is today. All right. So whatever you're doing, I hope everybody's having a good day and you're being safe and warm in this cold weather. Until next week, love you all. Bye-bye.